Hey, crypto family, if you have this important app like Binance and OKS, like we actually miss this particular two popular exchanger because they are no longer accepting Nigeria again. And if you are from Nigeria, you can't actually do P2P again on this platform. But right now, how can you actually withdraw your crypto like USDT to cash in Nigeria? So I'm going to show you exactly how I can do that within 15 minutes. So I'm going to actually introduce one particular changer which is actually called Bitget. So this particular app allows you to do P2P in Nigeria, although they are suspended Binance in Nigeria, also OKS in Nigeria. But this particular changer by Bitget is actually one of the best you can actually use to do your P2P trade to actually receive Naira in Nigeria. And for you to do that is very simple and very straightforward. So the first thing you have to do is to ensure you actually register for this exchanger, which is Bitget. I'm going to drop the link to this particular exchanger inside the video description for you to sign up. You can actually verify your identity using national ID card or your NIN slip. So it's very simple. Even BVN, you can use your BVN to verify if you are from Nigeria, and it's going to take you like maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes to get verified. So after you have verified your identity, and you have USDT inside the account, so for you to do P2P trade, you have to click on this more option over here. Click on this more option to actually find P2P option. So as you can see, we have P2P option over here. You are going to click on it. So and it's going to give you some updates. So as you can see, here we come. So we have NGN, unlike Binance and OKS that listed NGN from the option. So right now you can actually do P2P on this platform. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. It's very simple and very straightforward, just like others exchanger. So as you can see, this is the marketplace for Bybit that you can actually use to do P2P trade. So a lot of them are actually restricted, like due to the fact that I've just started using this app. I actually use Bybit majorly for my P2P trade. So let me show you exactly. This is the buying option. So I'm actually focused on actually selling my USDT on Bitget to get cash in Nigeria. So I'm going to change it from buy to sell. So I'm going to click on this sell option, and it's going to filter those people like that want to actually buy USDT to give me Naira. So and this particular person is selling 400,000 to 2 million. So actually selling below that price. So I'm going to filter the amount I have in mind of selling. So we are going to click on this limit option over here, and you are going to choose the amount you have intention of getting in Naira. So like let's say 10,000 Naira. I'm going to confirm that, and it's going to give me those sellers that actually are between that range. As you can see, this particular one, which is JB Express, actually want to sell. It actually have 16.95 USDT in quantity, and the selling amount is 10,000 naira to 250,000. So I believe I have to go with this person since I want to sell between that range. So all I have to do is to actually click on sell over here, sell over here. Then the next thing I have to do, because I'm actually selling for the first time on this platform, is to go to settings to add my bank details. So this one is very, very important. So you are going to click on add bank details. Then like as you can see, we have bank transfer over here. Click on bank transfer. Then you are going to actually enter your bank details. So I'm going to actually enter my Kuda account. So you can use any of your bank account, maybe Access Bank or any bank. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using Kuda for this purpose. So let me go over to my Kuda account to add my bank details. So Kuda, then open the account. So I'm going to actually copy my account over here, copy, then actually paste the account number over here, paste the account number, then account bank name, which is Kuda account, Kuda bank. So like branch is supposed to be Lagos. Kuda is actually located in Lagos. So I'm going to click on confirm. Card number is not really necessary because I'm not doing a card transfer. So I'm going to click on confirm to actually save this particular account. So they are going to send OTP to my phone number, also OTP to my email address. So I'm going to copy both of them to actually confirm that I do authorize this particular transaction. So I'm going to actually reconfirm again. So as you can see, I successfully added my bank account over here. So I have to go back to actually start the trade again. So I have to refresh to see the latest update. So as you can see, we have another person which is Zainab. So and they have 606 order and they have a 95% rating. So I think this particular person is good to trade with. So I'm going to click on sell over here. And as you can see, this is my bank account because I've successfully added it. So I'm going to be selling 20 USDT over here, and I'm going to receive 31,709 for selling 20 USDT. So, and as you can see, there's a note for you. So you are not supposed to add anything like maybe crypto related, because like Nigeria now, Nigeria government is actually cracking down on crypto related payments. So I have to go with sell with zero fee. Click on sell with zero fee, and this order is going to be placed automatically. So why this order has been placed, I'm going to wait for maybe 15 minutes or so for Zainab to actually pay into my bank account, and after she has paid, I'm going to release the fund. So let me pause this video and wait for a while to receive my payment inside my Kuda account.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about just 15 minutes, I actually got a alert from Kuda. So this is the payment, like 31,709, and I actually received a notification that she has paid the money. So if you have any issue with maybe buying or selling on this platform, you can actually contact the seller or buyer using the chat bot. You can message them for them to actually release your fund on time. So you said I've made the payment. So right now the next thing I have to do now is to actually release the coin, because I've already received my payment. So I'm going to click on this release coin option, to ensure that I confirm that I actually got the payment. So I think the network is kind of bad, so I'm going to click on, if you have any issue, you can actually appeal. Maybe you have not received the payment and the buyer is telling you that he or she has sent the payment. You can actually appeal, and the team is going to look into the issue and actually know who is actually saying the truth or who is actually lying. So I think I have to release this payment over here because I have received it. So they have to send OTP to both my phone number and also my email address. So I'm going to copy the OTP, then complete this transaction. So guys, I've actually pasted the code for email address and also for the phone number. So the next thing I have to do is to confirm to actually release this particular payment. We're actually done with this payment and everybody is actually happy. So you can actually sell your coin using Bitget here in Nigeria and actually receive your cash instantly without wasting time. So if you actually want to join Bitget, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to join. They are free platform you can actually join right now to start selling your USDT. I hope this video actually help you out to figure out how you can actually convert your USDT to cash in Nigeria. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channels to see more of this particular video on my channels. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.